How to make your 70 cubic centimeters bike run like a beast. Full tuning guide, Pakistani Roads Edition. In every street of Pakistan, from Karachi to Kashmir, you'll see one machine that rules the road, the 70 cubic centimeters bike. Simple, reliable, and when tuned right, a beast on two wheels. But most riders don't know the secret. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need a big workshop. All you need is time, attention, and the will to make your engine sing again. Beat, cut to close-up of tools on table. Step 1, preparation, the heartbeat of tuning. Before you touch anything, prepare your tools. Screwdrivers, wrenches, and a spark plug spanner. A clean cloth, air filter oil, and carburetor cleaner spray. And most importantly, patience. Because good tuning isn't speed. It's precision. Visuals, cinematic close-ups of tools, slow zoom into bike engine. Step 2, the air filter, let your bike breathe. Your bike breathes through its air filter. If it's dirty, your engine can't breathe, just like a man trying to run with a blocked nose. Take it out. Wash it with mild soap and water. Let it dry completely. Then apply a thin layer of engine oil. When clean air flows in, your bike instantly feels lighter, smoother, and stronger. Visual, mechanic removing filter, dust flying in sunlight, slow-mo shot of fresh filter being placed. Step 3, the spark plug, the pulse of power. The spark plug decides how your bike fires every single explosion inside that tiny engine. Take it out. Look closely. If it's black and sooty, your fuel mixture is too rich. If it's white, it's too lean. The perfect spark plug is light brown, like roasted coffee. Check the gap, usually between 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters for 70 cubic centimeters bikes. Replace if old. Tighten gently, never overdo it. Visual, close-up of spark plug, feeler gauge sliding, spark lighting up in dark. Step 4, the carburetor, the heart of performance. Now we enter the soul of the bike, the carburetor. That small metal heart mixes air and fuel, and even a quarter turn can change everything. Turn the air-fuel screw gently clockwise until it stops. Then back it out 1.5 turns. Start the engine. Let it warm up. Now, slowly adjust until the sound becomes smooth, like a heartbeat, steady, calm, powerful. If the bike vibrates or coughs, it's too lean or too rich, fine-tune it again. Once you hear that perfect hum, that's the sound of balance. Visual, macro shots of carb screws turning, engine revving up, sound wave animation with heartbeat effect. Step 5, valve clearance, the hidden secret. Most riders never touch this. But this single step separates a weak 70 cubic centimeters from a strong one. When valves are too tight, the bike loses power. When too loose, it makes that tapping sound. Remove the tappet cover. Use a feeler gauge. For most 70 cubic centimeters bikes, intake valve equals 0.05 millimeters, exhaust equals 0.08 millimeters. Adjust carefully. Close it back. It's delicate work, but once done right, the difference is night and day. Visual, slow zoom into rocker arms, sparks of metal, subtle background beat rising. Step 6, chain and sprocket, transferring every drop of power. Power is useless if it doesn't reach the wheel. Check your chain, it should have 20 to 30 millimeters of free play in the center. Clean it, lube it, and make sure your sprocket teeth are sharp and aligned. This one step decides how smooth your ride feels. Visual, spinning rear wheel, slow drip of chain oil, cinematic reflection of sunlight on chain. Step 7, exhaust and sound tuning, the voice of your bike. Now comes the part everyone loves, the sound. You can make your bike roar, but remember, too loud is too wrong. Instead, keep it balanced. Clean the silencer. Replace the muffler packing if it's blocked. A clear exhaust flow gives not just better sound, but more pickup and mileage. Respect the rules, but let your machine's voice be heard. Visual, sound meter overlay, smoke clearing from silencer, fade into roaring exhaust sound. Step 8, test ride, feel the change. And finally, the road test. Start your bike. Feel the throttle. Listen to the engine, every sound now has a rhythm, every vibration now has a reason. As you ride through the streets, you'll realize it's not just a 70 cubic centimeters anymore, it's your bike, reborn through your own hands. Visual, cinematic drone shot of rider on open road, sunset reflection on fuel tank, engine revving sound fades. Final message, outro. So next time someone says 70 cubic centimeters bikes are slow, just smile. Because only you know what real tuning feels like. Keep your bike clean, keep it tuned, and ride safe. This was your complete 70 cubic centimeters tuning guide from Pakistan for every rider who loves the road.